again. We're going on an excursion today. A new project has just started. We're going to get a parcel that was sent to me by Yvonne Lights. I'm going to interrupt myself here. This video is a little bit sponsored. I got a little bit of a discount. I'm going to try to be completely honest about any sponsorships or anything in the future, but this video I got a little bit of a discount in trade for naming the brand in the video, posting some stuff on Instagram, and in return they also post my video on their Instagram, and that's it. Just a little bit of discount, naming their brand. I'm going to be completely unbiased in my review of this product. And it's going to be quite a big project, not as big as the car lift. It won't have that big of an impact on my, like the actual wrenching and workshop stuff, but it is going to have a very big impact on the aesthetics of the workshop. So I'm trying to, the next project will be making the garage, which is now just a normal garage which looks okay-ish, and we're going to lift it to a dream workshop, as they call it, like a very nice place to be, which is inspiring. And yeah, so stay with me. We're going to get the parcel first. I'll show it later what it is, and then we're going to head to Örebro, to the big city, to get some black paint for the roof, to the ceiling I should say. So yeah, follow with us on the trip to Örebro. It's too big, that's what she said. So I unpacked one of these boxes. There's two of them since I ordered two sets, and then I forgot to press record, which was quite sad. Anyway, but luckily I've got the second box, so we're going to do the unboxing and assembly of a example hexagon again. So here we go. And then I can just safely use my knife, since I know already from the other box that there is styrofoam. And yeah, I'm going to put this away for a second. And here we go. There is a instructions manual, one in Swedish and one in English. I do speak Swedish, but my English is way better, let's put it like that. So I'm gonna use the English one, read it already, so I'm just going to put it away for now. But it says, it has an index of all the stuff that's in the package, on how to assemble it, how to hang it from a ceiling or attach it directly to a ceiling, etc. So this is good instructions, which is nice. Just going to put it away. So there's two connection wires in each set. One for the outer ring and one for the actual hexagons. They advise you to use one wire for one hex set and an extra wire for multiple sets, because the wire gets hot as well. They use the power usage. And then in the box there is a lot of these bags with all kinds of connectors. There's straight connectors, there's star-shaped connectors. I'll show them quickly. So this is one of the corner, straight corner, the L-shaped connectors, straight connector, T-shaped connector. There's all kinds of connectors. There's a few bags of them. There's quite a lot. And I was like, this is quite a big set. You kind of realize it when you see all these connectors. And then there's a shitload of LED bars. They're also individually packed. The 44 centimeter ones are the ones that form the hexagon shape, and then there's also long ones somewhere down here, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, here. These are the long ones, and they form the outside rectangle shape. I am, however, not going to build the shape that's like in the box, so to say. Since all these connectors are separate pieces, they give you the freedom to be a little bit creative, and I like to be creative and stubborn and everything. So I'm going to do it a little bit differently, but whatever form you make, the assembly process is similar. So it's quite simple. Let me get one of these angles. There is a small hook on the bottom side of each connector, or top side if you view it from a ceiling. And there is a catch in each LED bar. So, and obviously there is a connector inside, male here, female here, and it's protected so you can't electrocute yourself. Well, you always can, but not as easily. So you put it in like this. It's a little bit of wiggling because of this safety catch, so to say, but it slides in like this, and then it's connected. So this is it. So and then you grab the next one you want to assemble. Put it in a little bit sideways like this. Just slide it in, and you've got a shape. It's that simple. But as I said, I'm going to do a different shape than planned, obviously. And since I'm a developer, like a software programmer, developer, whatever you want to call it, I was like, let's see if I can write a little bit of code that helps me determine which shape I can make with the given number of connectors I have and the given number of LED bars. So let's go inside into my office to the computer, and I'll show you a little bit of software. Kind of boring software, but I tried to make it a little bit visual, so it just doesn't just say like, oh, you need this amount of bars or whatever. So it's visual. But I'll show you guys. Oh yeah, and since I assembled one hexagon. You can see it here. It's quite big. So this is one hexagon. Each set consists of 14 of these hexagons, and yeah. So I've got two sets, so it's 28 hexagons. But I'll also got quite a lot of space here. And yeah, let me just plug this in, and you can see what it does. So this is one hexagon. It's quite bright, so I don't know the actual output of each bar, but it's quite a lot. So this is going to look nice, especially with the black roof coming. So yeah, let's get to the office. Okay, welcome upstairs in the office. On your screen you can now see my screen and me in the corner, which is nice, I think. And this is a little piece of software I wrote to count the amount of elements, so to say, I need to create the shape that I want. So say that I want to make this figure 8 lying down, or infinity shape, whatever, or just two hexagons. for ease of speaking. 2 hexagons on, 11 LED bars needed to make this shape, 2 Y connectors in the middle, 10 V connectors. Say that I want to make a little bit more elaborate shape, like this flower, that's called a flower. You need 14 V connectors, 12 Y connectors, 30 LED bars, and it means that you have 7 shapes on. I did a little bit of calculation with the 2 sets that I have in my possession. I have 114 LED bars, 52 Y connectors, and 34 V connectors. And I know this is the space. So this shape correlates to the size of my workshop, which is 800 by 600 centimeters. It calculated how much hexagons will fit in this space without touching the walls. And say that I want to make this shape that's now highlighted in green. I need this amount of parts, so I can just start clicking and see in this corner the the Bridgeport lathe resides. So I want some extra lighting over there. In this corner there's the lathe and the workbench, so I want a little bit more lighting there. I don't want to connect everything together since I want 2 shapes. And say that I want to make this, I need 96 LED bars, 39 Y connectors, and 42 V connectors, which is already more than I have in my possession. But on the website you can order as many extra spare parts as you want. So I'm just going to create a shape which I like. I'll probably create a little bit of a small drawing that I can put in as a background, so I exactly know what is where, but that's for future, problem for future me. But for now I'm just going to resize myself a little bit, because now the screen recording part is done, and I'm just going to say thank you for watching so far. I am going to add a few time-lapse clips of me painting the roof, because that's what I did this week. Sadly, I can't show you yet how the hexagons will look on the ceiling, because A, the paint has to dry, and B, tomorrow it's Thursday. I want to put this video out on Thursday, so it will be a 2-part video. This video is painting, unboxing, code writing, and the next video will be more painting, I guess, like detail stuff, but maybe I'll probably just skip this and do it off camera anyway. But I'm going to put up the LED lighting system as soon as I have set on a shape that I like. And also on off camera, I've been working on something really cool for the workshop. I can't say too much now, but it's going to be, if it works out, then it will be a really cool thing for the future. And this will make this workshop really next level. But that's for later. Now I'm just going to cut to the time lapse, and I want to thank you all for watching, and hopefully you will like and subscribe on YouTube, and see you next time. Bye. So this is the result for this week. Almost done, like everything's black, nicely covered. I am going to leave these lights up as long as possible. So there's still white behind it, but that's like whoop, and it's done when they are eventually removed. The thing I'm doing now is I'm painting the wires that run in the corners. You can see there is still a bit of white because that's the wire color, but in some spots it's already black, as you can see here, which makes for a nice crisp edge. So, but that's didn't fit in this video, sadly. But yeah, this is starting to look really nice.